Hey guys, Super Chef Garage here. Recently I had an issue where my car was not getting fuel to cylinder number 6, as I think. There's spark there, the coil pack's good, the igniter box is good. So my next plan of attack was the injector. I fired the engine, looked at the spark plug, and it seemed like there's no fuel going into that cylinder. So I came up with a quick hack in my garage on cleaning my fuel injector. So I'll show you. Basically, this is my half-ass fuel injection cleaning station. Workbench is a mess. You should probably do this on a clean workbench, but I've had projects on projects on projects recently. So here it is. You've got brake parts cleaner, or carburetor cleaner. You've got your injector, small piece of hose clamp clamped on. I removed the O-ring so that not to damage it. The light bulb is just a plug. You basically need something clean to stick in there. This hose needs to be clean so you don't flush any debris through your injector. And then I've got a small 9-volt battery. I've just twisted the wire around there. You could get fancy with it, get a little connector thing and put a switch and make your own little injector cleaning table. I don't want to run to the hardware store right now to get all that crap. So I just took a couple of butt connectors, squished them so they would fit on the pins of the injector. I've got a jar here to hold the injector up at the level of the spray can. It works pretty good. It's really crude and primitive, but it gets the job done, and I don't have to leave to go get supplies because this was all stuff that I had hanging around in my shop, in my miscellaneous parts crap over there and whatnot. So here I'll show you how it works. Really simple, really fast, really easy, and it is basically free minus the cost of that can, and maybe if you have to buy a hose or something to plug that or whatever. So like I said, very simple. I'm just gonna hook these connectors up to the pins on this plug here. Bear with me. Okay. I will pressurize this can just a little bit. Now you don't want to go too much because you might blow this thing off and then freaking brake parts cleaners everywhere. I take this here little wire, touch it there. You can see it spurting a little at the end. I don't think these injectors are necessarily dirty, but I mean, that's basically it. Really simple. You probably want to point these away from stuff you might care about, or like wear safety glasses, all that bullshit. But this is for me. Needed it quick. It's done. Injectors are all clean. This is the last one in my lineup there, so I'll give you a shot of that again. So you can see it's misting beautifully. So yeah, there you go. Quick 20-minute hack, if that. And you've got clean injectors all day long. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and comment below, whatever. I'm not a genius or anything. I just figure out shit. So I'll answer any questions, and have a great day.